Hey y'all, hey friends, welcome to my kitchen today. I'm telling you what, this is one of those retro recipes. I've made this every day, y'all. Every day of my life from 1989 to probably 1993 or 4. I mean, every day. Because this was such a popular dish. On the Bag Lady, I would do a beautiful fruit salad with, sometimes when champagne grapes were in season, those little tiny grapes, I put a cluster of that, and of course a piece of star fruit, beautiful strawberries and cantaloupe. They were beautiful. And I couldn't make enough to send out on our routes. In fact, people would call in and say, hold me a fruit salad. And it wasn't that the fruit was that great. Of course, during the summer, it really was wonderful. But it was the French cream that they got on the side that made it so good. So I'm going to share this recipe with y'all. I also make a French custard, which a custard to me means cooked. You know, I make one that you cook, but this is one that you just mix up and no cooking involved, and it is wonderful. I love to do fruit trays and cut my pineapple in half, leaving the top on it too, and scoop it out and fill it full of the French cream. And it's just not only beautiful, but delicious. All right, so I'm gonna start, y'all, by, what am I gonna start doing? I think I'm gonna start whipping up my whipping cream. And now this is the heavy cream, y'all. Don't use half and half, because half and half won't mix. You got to have heavy cream. And to 1 cup of heavy cream, I use 1/4 of a cup of sugar to it. And to me, that makes it nice and sweet. So we're just gonna beat this until it forms soft peaks. Okay, we're back, y'all, and our whipping cream has been whipped until it forms soft peaks. And Eddie just told me, he said, you might want to say fresh cream. Eddie said it sounded like I said fresh cream, and I was saying French cream. So I don't know what part he's talking about where I was using that, but it's French cream, not fresh cream. Well, it is kind of fresh cream, but. So anyway, we've got our whipped cream, and now we're gonna mix together our softened cream cheese, and I'm just gonna beat this. Actually, I'm gonna mix this in a little bit bigger bowl, because we've got some powdered sugar we got to add to that. All right, so I'm just gonna, this is nice and soft. And now we're gonna add our powdered sugar and just whip those two ingredients together until they're kind of creamy. Oh man alive, is this so good. There's a lot of creams out there for your fruit trays, but to me it just doesn't get any better than this one. All right, so now I'm gonna add the juice of 1 lemon, and we're gonna add some lemon zest. And I don't know if you have one of these zesters, but I couldn't do it. I couldn't zest.
Oh, I did lemon zest for you.
Huh? I know. Teresa has already zested me some, but I just wanted to show y'all what you need to, when you have to zest an orange or a lemon. You gotta have one of these little zesters. All right. So I'm gonna beat that a little bit and incorporate that. And now we're gonna add these two together. We're gonna fold that in to our whipped cream. Oh my goodness. I could stay on a fruit diet with this, y'all. All right, so we're just gonna fold. Now I'm going to add our lemon zest. And I don't add my zest while I'm using my hand mixer because it seems like the zest just all winds up kind of whited around your beaters and you lose a lot. So I just stir my zest in at the last minute. And I did zest a little bit over here, so we'll get that out too. And the last thing we're gonna add, if you go online and the recipe says pineapple juice is great. But you know what? If you've got orange juice around and opened, that will work well too. And so I'm just gonna get this to the consistency that I want by adding some sort of juice. I wouldn't recommend tomato juice. Like sweet orange or pineapple is really great. All right, so it just depends on how thin or how thick you want this. And I think that was what? Maybe a tablespoon of orange juice, y'all. And to me, this is a nice consistency. And if you don't have a lemon, you could use orange zest. Look how pretty that is. Now, I've got to get every bit off this beater. I can't stand looking at that much cream left. Okay. Are these, you know what? Isn't that a D on there?
Yeah.
I bought these at a yard sale or somewhere. And I gave it to Bobby and Cloud. I said, look, it's got a D on it. And I think a month later, I got them back. They said, Mama, we don't use things like that. So here you go. I got it back. So, you know, when you give your children gifts, you need to give them something that you'd like to have. Because there's a good chance it's going to come back home to you. Okay. Don't you want to say stories?
Oh, I'm going to be sitting there with the whole bowl when this is all said and done.
And look, I do more cream than fruit.
Me too.
I do hope y'all enjoy. I think I'd like the zest of 2 lemons. The more lemony, the better. So, pick you up some fresh fruit, y'all, because it's starting to come in pretty good now. Especially if you live down south. And make you up some of this French cream. People are going to think you're a genius.